How to know who viewed your stories on Instagram. So this is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this helps a lot. So without any further delay, let's move into the videos. First of all, open Instagram on your mobile. As you open Instagram on your mobile, you can go to the profile option. As you go to the profile option, your profile will open here. Now if you are having any story on your profile, you can click on the profile picture and you can see your story, or if you are not having any story right now, you can click on the highlights. So I'm going to show how to view your viewers through the highlight. So I'm going to click on the highlight and then scroll up, and as I scroll up I will have story insight available here, but you have to be switched to professional account in order to get your story view or story insights over here. So if you are moved to professional account, then you can see who viewed your story and you can block them and you can do different kind of acts with them. So this is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also make sure to like. Thanks and have a nice day.